Alright, today we're going to do a video of a HWACHEON high-tech 200B turning center. It's new in 2019. You have a HWACHEON Fanuc I series control. I'm going to run it. You have a 10-inch 3-jaw chuck on the spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 2,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. You have a 12-position turret. Jog the axes now. That's your Z. Your X. Over travel. Turret indexing. You have your tailstock down here. To manually position tailstock. You have all your manuals, spare tool holders here in this box. Machine also has a coolant pan. It is presently wired 220 volts. You can see it under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.